How to turn off your Samsung phone without the power button. Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how you can easily turn off your Samsung device without the power button. So in order to do that, what we usually do is go ahead and long press on the power button to bring out this power menu. What you can also do is, let's say if your power button is stuck or not working, you can just swipe down from your screen, and once you do that, you will find this option right here, the power menu option. And once you tap on it, you can bring out this power menu right here. This is the first option. The second one is to actually turn on the digital assist. First of all, open up your settings, scroll down until you see this accessibility settings, and from here tap on interaction and dexterity and turn on the assistant menu and tap on allow and pop out this assistant menu. Now you just have to tap on the assistant menu like this, and once you do that you'll find different options, and if you swipe to the left or the right you will find the power off menu. Tap on it and you can bring out your power menu right here, and you can turn off your phone from here as well. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.